We are doing today one of the most common repairs on E30s. This is my personal E30. It's a muffler hanger. It's right there. There's little pieces of, you know what, of rubber actually wear out all the time, and we have to change them. So there's one that goes right here. This one is reinforced with a little bit of sewing in there, and then there is the other one that goes right there. So those two hold the muffler in place. There's the third one that actually goes right in there. There you go. So it's a pretty easy thing to diagnose. You would just see the muffler hanging down, the car making some noises hitting the ground, the pavement when you drive. And a simple repair. We do that all the time. On E30s here at Scarhaven. Just gonna take a quick look around in my pride and joy. That's my E30.